Good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel again. You are looking at a Leche Flan brownie. If you want to know how I made it, just keep on watching. Thank you. Bye. Alright, so the first thing we need is a bowl. Next is a evaporated milk and condensed milk, and caramel, measuring cups, yes, and spatula, whisk, and can opener. Alright. Dahan-dahan natin buksan ang can, and then make sure you pour everything there ng dahan-dahan, gaya ng pagmamahal mo sa kanya, dahan-dahan lang. Tsaka pag buksan mo yan, huwag kang masugatan kasi masakit pag nasusugatan ka. Alright, so we're gonna start mixing the condensed milk into the evaporated milk. Make sure you get everything in there, sayang naman. And we're gonna need 4 eggs. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, we're gonna batil it in the middle of the condensed milk and evaporated milk. Tatlo at isa pa. Okay. Susunod ay ang vanilla extract. We're gonna need 3 of that. 3 tablespoons. Okay, and then we're gonna start whisking. Alright, we're gonna whisk it like the Dalgona coffee that we did. Hopefully this won't take like 4 hours. But anyways, did you know that leche in Spanish means milk? That's why it has so many milk in there. But in Filipino, it's a bad word. And you don't want to know that. But anyways, let's make sure that the egg yolks are well whisked along with the milk. Alright guys, just keep whisking. And alright, it's all good. Okay, next step is we're gonna get this, whatever you call this, with the butter. Alright, so the use of this butter is gonna make the pan non-stick. So we're just gonna butter it around like so. So yes, just do it like that. More butter, the better. Yeah. And then next is caramel. Put whatever you want on it, however you want. Alright, we're gonna put more in there, but right now we're gonna spread it. Just doing so. Put muna natin yung sleeves natin yan para hindi sagabal. And we're gonna put more in there like so kasi nga masarap ang caramel. Alright. And we're gonna start pouring slightly lang para hindi siya maghalo ng mabilis, and we're just gonna do that around the pan that we just buttered around. Alright, itabi muna natin yan habang kumuha tayo ng glass tray na walang laman, at saka we're gonna put water in it for us to steam the mixture that we made already. Okie dokie, so next step is we're gonna heat up the oven for 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're gonna wait for another 20 minutes. While we do that, we're gonna mix the brownie mix. Yes guys, we're gonna mix all around today. We cut it, and then we're gonna mix it into the bowl that we just used earlier. Alright, we're gonna need 1 egg for that, and then 1/3 cup of canola oil. Any oil will do. Sana oil. Alright, pagkatapos niya, we're gonna put 3 natapon na. 3, it doesn't matter, but 3 spoons of milk. Okay, pagkatapos ng milk, we're just gonna halo it like so. Alright, we're just gonna mix it until we get the right consistency. And it's a little thick, so we're gonna add water to that. Okay. And then we're going to start whisking again. This is much easier to whisk than the Dalgona coffee.
Oh my god. What the heck?
Yep, that just happened. Just be careful when you try to put the flan inside the oven because it gets really hot. Be careful. Alright, so we wait for 20 minutes. Ayan, pagkatapos ng 20 minutes, ihalo na natin ang brownie mix sa flan na ginawa natin. Make sure na dahan-dahan lang para hindi masyadong maghalo. And we're just gonna do it like that. Slowly but surely all around the pan. Buhusin natin yan. Mukha na siyang masarap kahit hindi pa luto. Okay, right after pouring everything in there, na ibuhos mo na lahat, na sama ng loob mo, make sure you make it even. Oh, it's steaming, right guys? Look, it's steaming. Nai-ignorante ako sa nakikita ko ngayon kasi I'm doing a recording instead of talking like in person. But anyways, we're gonna need foil to cover it. A regular foil will do. Ayan, just enough foil for the pan that we're gonna use. And make sure hindi masobrahan. Ayan, punitin na natin ang nakaraan. Ganyan. Tapos, coveran mo na para matapos na. Guys, huwag kayong assuming. Ano ba? I'm just a hugutera noon pa. Kaya, huwag kayong assuming. Okay guys, so we're gonna put it in the oven and reduce the heat to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright guys, so it's been more than an hour and we are now gonna check if it's cooked already. For us to check, we will need a toothpick. Sorry, my hands are dirty. Anyways, we're gonna need a toothpick to know if it's still sticky or not. Alright, so I got my toothpick already and we're gonna open the oven. Ooh, it's hot. Just be careful. We're gonna try and poke it. Oh, that looks good. Paano ba to? Oh, mainit. Ow! Pwede na ba yan? Hindi pa pwede. It still has a little thing on it. We'll check back soon, but it's been over an hour and we'll see. Parang luto na siya, guys. Wait. Wait lang. Yes! Oh my god! It looks so good! Would you look at that? Doesn't it look amazing? Yes, guys. Okay, so we're gonna try to poke it and see if it's done. Okay na yan, no? Okay na yan. Okay na. Hey guys, so we're gonna wait until it cools down. Maybe we're gonna wait until like for over an hour or so to cool it down so we can flip it. You'll see the magic very soon. Alright, see you later. Okay, so we're doing an experiment right now. We're gonna use the baking sheet and then lay it flat on the plate, just like so. Okay, so the method that we're gonna do is we're gonna lay it flat and flip it, just like so. Watch, guys. We're gonna do it, the first experiment. We'll see if it'll work. So the first plate didn't work, so we're gonna have to do the second one, but it's not looking really good because it's not flat. We are looking for a much flatter base here. So this cutting board will do, and it's looking like we're gonna flip it right now. Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, bubuksan na natin. Ta-da! Wow, guys, that looks great. Ang sarap. You should try it if you would. If you can, come over and eat this amazing Leche Flan brownies. It's taste test time. Okay guys, we're gonna cut this in one big chunk and then cut it in the middle for the girls to eat. All right.
Tastes like cake.
It is cake. Wow. How do you rate it? 1 to 10? 10 to be the highest.
10. 10.
Not 11?
million.
Alright.
Please subscribe to Joy's channel.
Like the video.
Like the video.
And share.
Yeah.
Hold on, one more. Ulit, go. No, just like this. Like that. 1, 2, 3, go. Kambalid.
Good.
Or basit lang.
Try it.
Yeah. It's rich.
Rick, what?
Taste test.
Yeah.
Secret. It'll be on my channel. So there you have it, guys. It's the Brownie Leche Flan. I hope you guys liked it and learned something, and you can make it your own and enjoy it. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day. Good night. Bye-bye.